Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable show touch settings on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on about device. From here, tap on version, then tap on the version number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. And after you enable developer options on your smartphone, the next step is to go back to the main settings page, and from here, just tap on System and Update. On this page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it, and from here, just look for the option Show Tabs. Now, as you can see, under the input section, you will find the option of Show Tabs. Now, just enable this toggle, and you will enable the Show Touch setting on your smartphone. Just like that. Just like that. And this is how you can show touch settings on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.